Hi, I'm Stian. I'm a blogger and a photographer, and I live on an eco estate where animals roam free and nature comes first. This is home to me, and this is where I do most of my cooking in the Veld. I love food that makes people smile, and my recipes are easy to make, better to eat. Welcome to the photographer's blog. Good morning everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic morning so far. This morning I thought I'd show you one of my favorite breakfast recipes, overnight oats. It's quick, easy, healthy, delicious and best of all, make ahead. I'm going to show you 3 combinations, but you can use whatever combination or ingredient you have in hand. Before we get into the flavorings, let's make the base first. The quantities are easy to remember because the oats, milk and yogurt are equal parts. I use about a third a cup of each per person. For the rest, it's a squeeze of honey, a splash of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Today I'm making for 3 people, so I'll use a cup of each. A cup of milk, and 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. A splash of vanilla, a squeeze of good quality honey. I use fynbos. And a pinch of salt. Now you can use whatever oats you like. It will go into the freezer for 6 hours or overnight until the oats are soft and tender. It will easily last up to 2 days in the fridge. Now I'll give it a good stir. Alright, that's the base done. Now we can move on to the flavors. The first one that I want to show you is a berry and grape version. Now it starts off with a compote, which is just berries and grapes that I've cooked down for 10 minutes with a squeeze of honey. I'll spoon it into the mason jar now. I'll leave some behind to put over later as garnish. Now the second one is a cinnamon and mint apple version. I have some Granny Smith apples that I've cooked down with a little bit of water, a pinch of cinnamon and brown sugar. I'll garnish it later with some fresh mint. Now before I do the third one, I'm first going to pour over the base for these 2. You want to make sure to pour it very carefully so that the layers won't mix. Now for the third version. Enter Clemengold and Thyme. I think thyme is one of those herbs that goes well with anything, especially Clemengold. Now I have some peeled Clemengold wedges which I will chop, some to go into the mason jar and some into the mixture. Of course you can also use tangerines or narkies. Next, I'll add in some fresh thyme. For the thyme, I'll strip the leaves from the stems and add it to the oats. I love the green specks against the pale gold. Okay, I'll give everything a good stir and we'll top up the mason jar. I'll use my spatula to squeeze out the juice from the Clemengold wedges. Alright, all that's left to do is to put these in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. See you in the morning. And there you have it, my overnight oats. By not cooking the oats, you're actually turning this breakfast into a low GI breakfast, which means energy will be released slower and more gradually throughout the day. I think that's the perfect way to start the morning. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button.